Hey there, I'm Alex, one of the founders of Steer. Let me show you how our homepage works. Click on these three dots, look at your discovery preferences. Click here to discover. Boom. 5 people from the web have been automatically all their information scraped and available to you, and you can pick who you want to add. You can also look at their LinkedIn if you want to. For now, let's just add one of them to show you how it works. As you can see to the right here, we can click filter. We can look through them. We can search for their company. We can search RBC. But before we do that, let's just delete these people. RBC, boom, and they appear and all of their information. But we won't click on that for now, but that's how it works. All right, let's close the filter system and let's delete them. Okay, now let's click on my profile. You can see my professional experience. You can see my contact information. You can even see this little made up first met. We met at a city council general meeting. In the top right, I can manage my groups and I can make a little friends group. I can set myself to actually be in this group, which is kind of cool. You can filter all of your relationships like this. Click on the bottom left here to add a note. Likes ice cream. All right, we can click edit if we want to edit it. So maybe it's not just that I like ice cream. Maybe I also like some waffles. All right, done editing. I can also favorite myself so that I can appear easily if I click favorites in the tracker filter. Okay, now if I click catch up, it can generate a catch up message. Since I am a friend and you already know me, it will make a little message to catch up. Yeah, haven't seen me in a while. All right, here's the message. It's personalized for our prior conversation. You can also create a message. The AI can personalize it for you. Boom. There's a personalized message. You can attach your resume if you want to. You can also set when to send them a message. Typically in the middle of the week, in the mornings, people are a little happier. So that's a really good time to send messages. And you can schedule send it. It will automatically send if your Gmail is connected. And that's the homepage. Thanks very much.